Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. The cover is from MLG Co. It is the raspberry leather. This is what my Stalogy is looking like so far. And I have pulled some of the pumpkin washi from Simply Gilded. I picked the darker colors this time. So I've got the green. This is like a chocolatey brown color. And the black. These two have like an orange foil on them, and then this one has, the green has the gold foil on it. I'm also using stickers from the same kit that I used for my Dollar Tree weekly setup. This is a digital from CHELA Creates. I will have a link and discount code in the description box below. I'm going to try and give the same stickers a different feel. Also, I didn't use these exact dolls, so I'll see how it's going to come out. I did use the smaller version of this sprig of leaves, but we will see. I think it will be completely different. Then I also just received the Dated Basics by CHELA plan. So I'm going to be using this for the days of the week and the dates to number my days. I'm going to be setting up for the week of the 15th through the 21st. Let's get into it. So to start, let's take a look at last week. So this is last week, which was a week on 4 pages, so 2 days per page, and I think I did pretty good. I used it more of like journaling style to record what happened during the day, or just to jot down notes that I need to keep track of. And I used this green tool pen. I think it's tool. Yeah, tool pen. It is the metallics. So they had a limited edition metallics. I think it was last year, and I was able to grab a couple. So I used that. And I think I'm going to try and use my tool pens a little bit more, the specialty ones that I got, but I really like the 2 days to a page for now. So I'm going to do it again. So I think I'm going to use the green washi as an accent and go ahead and use the black and the brown first. And I think I did it really neat last week. This week, I think I'm just going to do the tear off style just to keep it simple. Let me tear off this and determine which way is up. Let's jump on into the header. So that's the top and the bottom. I didn't pick a thin washi to go down the middle. Let's see what we've got to find the middle. So what do I want to run down the center? Maybe I could do the green down the middle. I'm gonna experiment here. Let's try it. Not crazy about it, but we'll see how it goes from here. One thing I do know that I'm missing, I don't have any fatigue patterned washi tape, which is strange, but I don't. But I think these colors will go great with the dolls that I have. Before I put down the dolls, let's go ahead and put down some days of the week. I think I'm definitely going to use these numbers, but what days of the week do I want to use? Don't have that many choices here. These are actually florals. I don't want to use a multicolor. I don't want to use an outline. So I guess I'll have to use regular O, black and white. And then I'm going to use the this week sticker up here. I think this is crooked. Y'all gonna have to excuse me with my crookedness for a while until I get my eyes taken care of. It's really so hard for me to see. It's not normal. But it's like I can't really tell. I can't wait until I'm back to being able to see these things. Okay, so I said the 15th through the 21st, and I want to use those green looking numbers, these. So let's get into that. Now, these are on that clear paper, so it's gonna take me a minute to get these up, but I think they go really well. This is horrible. Should I take the main backing off? I heard somebody say that some time ago, to take off the backing, this part, and then it makes it easier to actually pull the numbers off or the stickers off. So let's see if that works. Can you see what I'm doing here? Just taking all of that off. Let's get rid of that and try again. I think it will be easier because at least you can feel where the edge of the sticker is. Yeah, so far. So 16. I like the way that looks. Now for the dolls. I think I'm going to use, which one on which page? I'm sure it really doesn't matter, but taking the armholes out. All right, I think I'm going to use her on this page here. And then use the other doll here. And this kit has multiple pages. I printed and cut 4 of the pages in the kit. I do share those pages in my Dollar Tree planner weekly setup. I'll link to it in the iCard up above so you can check that out. But this is a really great deal from CHELA Creates. Really good stickers. I mean, I mentioned in the other video that this collection of clip art, stickers, however you want to call it, is really worth it, even if you just want to use the leaves. It's a beautiful kit. Now, I was thinking about using a quote. I don't like the brave and strong, Not sure about the Find Your Wild. So I think I'm going to use Behind Every Woman. Wait, behind every successful woman is herself. I'm going to use that one here. I'm not going to put it down completely yet because I do want to add some leaves to this spread since we are in the fall season, even though, I guess I'll go ahead and put that down. Even though we don't really experience leaves falling from trees until sometime in January, usually here in Central Florida. But still, I know what it's like. I used to live in North Carolina, so. I'm tempted to use more, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave myself some room to write this week. Okay. I'm going to use a couple of boxes though, because I have an appointment this week. Where are my boxes? It's time for me to divide my sticker books up. That's why I have just some pages just stuck in, because it's time to reassess these books. A couple of them have too many things on the disc, and I even had a disc to break, which I've never had that happen before. So it's time to switch things up. Do I want to use that red color? How would that look? I think it kind of goes with this washi tape. I'm not really sure what color that is. It's like a brownish, reddish. I don't know what color it is. But let's see if I can get away with one of these boxes here. So my appointment is Tuesday. I think that'll work. And that's it that I know of. So since it's only one box, it should be okay. So let's grab a today sticker or 2 or 3. Yeah, so I was really shocked when the disc broke. I mean, they weren't Happy Planner discs. They were the Walmart 360 discs. That was the one that broke. But I mean, I didn't even do anything. I guess it was just the weight of the paper that I had on the disc. It just couldn't take it, so it broke. Have you ever had that happen? I know I've heard stories about the plastic disc breaking, but I've never actually experienced it until recently. Where's my coffee run sticker sheet? Laundry day. Saturday seems to be working, so I'm switching from Tuesday to Saturday for now. And then on Saturday, I don't do it until late after I'm done recording and everything. So that works great when nobody else is thinking about doing their laundry. So like I'm watching Svengoolie and doing laundry. Trash day is, oops, Thursday. Okay, I wanted to look through a couple of my CHELA plan books to see if I have anything in here. All right, so I think we're keeping it quite simple this week because as you could see from last week, I liked having that room to just jot things down. So that is going to do it. Let's zoom in a bit. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded. The deco sticker, the dolls, the leaves are all from CHELA Creates. The day of the week stickers as well as the dates are from Kell of a Plan. And the script stickers are from Piper Paper Company. I also have a discount code for them, which I will leave in the description box below. So that's it. Very simple, clean. At least that's what I think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.